That is a snake. He is freaking out right now.
He's pissed.
I am not happy with the internet. Oh, that rules. Taste it. Taste my lens. Oh no.
Dude, he wants to bite me so bad.
What kind of snake is that? A killer death snake?
I don't know. Is this a little garden snake? He's probably still right there. He's like, fuck.
I hate this.
I was like, what now?
Nature.
Nature was Sarvas. Let's fuck some shit up. I should have my own nature show, but I have to just be in shorts.
Today's science is nature. Why don't you like getting bit by this spider? It's okay.
Yeah. Come on, snake, come inside. It's warm in our house.
The snake up against the spider. I'm gonna ruin his web forever.